Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Jordan tax login. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Jordan tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.jordantax.com. Just click on that link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now you will be redirected to the official website of Jordan Tax Service. Now at the left side of your screen you can see the login form. Guys, over here you just need to enter your JTS account and similarly enter your login ID over here. And similarly enter your password over here. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.